Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. And today we're at Corvette Mike Midwest, and I'm with no stranger to the channel, one of my sponsors who caught me early in the career. So I just want to say, Bill Kotzum, good to see you and thank you.
Lou, thanks and welcome back.
Always a pleasure. And we have a great iconic car. Probably one of the best Corvettes out there. What do we have today?
We have a 1967 Goodwood Green, frame off restored, triple crown, 427, 390 horsepower car.
427. And that's the big engine for that one, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's the lowest horsepower on the 427s, but it's still.
What was the L88? Was that a 427 too?
Yes, it was.
Okay. All right, so this is the big block. And I just want to show you that shape.
This was the most popular color in 1967. The Goodwood
Really?
Green, yes.
And let's take a look at our featured attraction. One of the things when people walk right up to the car is they want to see that. And when they see that, they go, okay, we're serious.
To me, it's just unbelievable.
Now, when did the Stinger hood, which is what we're looking at here, the Stinger hood, when did this come out? When was the first year for that?
1 year only, 1967.
This is it?
On big blocks only, yes.
I gotcha. Okay, I'm learning as you're educating me, which I always appreciate, Bill. Yeah, that looks cool. Oh yeah, that's nice.
And as I said, this is Triple Crown, which means that this has won the 3 major awards in the Corvette world, an NCRS Top Flight, a Bloomington Gold Award, and then the Triple Diamond, which you get when it qualifies for gold status at the Muscle Car Corvette National.
So now, how do you get a car like this that we're videoing here? Is this a consignment? How does this work?
This is a consignment, and again, it's a customer of ours, and we actually asked him if we could have the opportunity to sell his car.
And that top is sparkling.
Never been down.
Wow, ever.
Ever.
Is he the original owner?
Well, again, in the restoration, so this is a brand new top.
Brand new top,
So
never down.
after it was installed, it's never been put down. But it is correctly dated, got the correct tags on it and everything. This is also a two-top car, although the second top we haven't put on the car.
How does that open? Am I
It
pulling
just
it?
goes up. There you go.
Okay, and there's a little switch accordingly. Like so. A Corvette Stingray. Now this one's a beauty. This one's a beauty. One of the ways, although I don't know tons of about Corvettes, is the reverse light in the center tells me that it's a 67. Is that accurate?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
All other years it would have been on the inside tail light.
And what I'd like to do with this one, just because it is got everything to it, is we'll throw it in reverse so we could see that. We'll put the brakes on. One thing I want to do is turn the headlights on so they can see how that mechanism works.
Okay.
When we do that.
You want to do that now or you want to do it after the interior?
Go ahead, let's do it now so we don't forget. Let's, do you have to start it up? Is it vacuum operated?
No, it's electric.
Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, we can, go ahead, you can shut that. And how do those go back down? Nice. Nice.
And you can tell that they've been restored because
They work.
they work excellent and they're synchronized. So, I mean, they really, really are nice.
Because when you get, they call them C2s, right? The second series of Corvettes. A
Yes.
lot of times that doesn't work.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, yeah. And because you need headlights.
That right there makes it a triple diamond.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
All right. So let me just show all the proper tags. And this interior, is it tan or a
Saddle.
saddle?
Saddle
That's the
interior.
color. Clearly the lock. Let me just show that from out here, that interior.
Yeah, the interior is beautiful on this car. Again, 100% restored.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Good release. Let me grab a seat. This is a brand new 67 Corvette for all intents and purposes.
Yes.
I want to just kind of show each.
And quite frankly, and this car hasn't been hardly driven since it was restored, and the selling price on it is considerably below market. And by that I mean, if you were going to
What is the selling price on a car? What's the selling price? Go ahead.
$129,000.
Okay.
But if you were going to purchase a 67 convertible, a rough one would probably cost you in the $30,000 to $50,000 range, and then you'd put it over $100,000 to $120,000 into restoration to get it to this level.
I'll be very careful with this. And nothing on the back. I'll move that over so we can see the clock, which sits that way. And I'm going to turn my camera this way so you can see that.
And that tag is just on there for, again, judging purposes.
Of course. So, with that being said, how do people get a hold of your website? What is it?
www.CorvetteMikeMidwest.com.
I just want to show this while I'm under here.
And that's where, yeah, your trim tag and your VIN tag are.
You got your 4 speeds, and this pulls up. Very nice too how that works like that. Ashtray. It is so wonderful. I don't really want to get out of this one. I want to just keep staying in here for a while. And there. And even like in the back here. Oh, wait. Can you lift that up for me, Bill?
Sure.
Is this turn in here? Is that how it does it?
Yes.
Go ahead. There we go.
Couldn't get the right angle.
And just
And you
some
can see this
storage
has an
space.
optional shoulder harnesses with
a
it
little
too.
vent there.
Yeah, that's a vent to relieve pressure, you know, when you're in the seat.
And look at this top. Wow. All right, let's take a look under the hood, shall we?
Okay.
What a winter vehicle. And the proper latching mechanism. And there's the inside of your hood with these nice pieces here to hold that on. And even like the, you can see how they're all so well done.
It even has the correct overspray on the exhaust manifold.
Wow. You want to buy your 1967 new big block Corvette. Here it is. It's amazing the level of detail that people go to and through to do this.
I'll point out one thing, you know, with the shielding that's over the distributor for the
Right here. Okay.
radio interference. On the small blocks, they have shielding over the spark plugs. Here, it's actually a braided spark plug wire on a big block.
Ah. I'm glad you pointed that out. And that is tucked in nicely there. Well, let's fire this one up, shall we?
Okay.
And then when we do fire it up, when I'm behind it, we'll put it in reverse just so I could show the taillights.
Okie doke.
Bill, there's the selling feature.
That does have the off-road exhaust. It's got a very nice sound.
That is a wonderful sound. If people like what they see, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, you can see all the episodes. Bill, you look wonderfully comfortable in this car. Again, thanks for being one of the sponsors to the channel. Thanks for being on My Car Story.
Lou, thanks for coming out.